This fold-out product replica is from a line of pieces that we produced for Absolute Vodka. The point-of-purchase promotional display is used in bars and restaurants. The intricate die cuts fold flat and then take shape when opened. Day Cooper came to us to help create a pop-up that asked clients to choose their party featuring their various pucker schnapps. BOF Corporation came to American Sidecar Perrygraf to create a fold-out direct mail piece that illustrates their VersaSlide shelving system. This is used in grocery and liquor stores. Rows of wine bottles pop out of the mailer to demonstrate the effectiveness of VersaSlide versus traditional shelving. Call or visit AmericanSlideChart.com.